Hi guys, happy Wednesday and welcome to another episode of Beer and Watches. Today we're going to be reviewing the DZ1262 from Diesel Watches. Now time's a ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. It's always good to make it halfway through the week because we're that much closer to the weekend. Now today we're going to be reviewing the DZ1262 from Diesel Watches. It's a quartz watch. This one is my personal watch and we're going to turn the camera around and take a look. Now before we do, a little bit more about Diesel. Diesel is an Italian clothing and accessories company based in Italy owned by the OTB Group. They sell shoes, accessories, denim apparel and of course watches. Now their watches are manufactured and sold in partnership with another watch brand that I'm sure you're familiar with, and they're called Fossil Watches. Diesel watches can be purchased just about anywhere online. You can get them at Chrono24, you can get them at Amazon, you can get them at eBay. You won't find it difficult to find yourself a Diesel watch, that's for sure. You can also purchase the latest designs directly at diesel.com. Now Diesel watches are classed as a fashion brand and they offer both quartz and smart watches. You can probably hear the lawnmower going outside. We have a gardener that comes and mows our lawn and he's decided to fire up the lawnmower as I'm filming this video. Oh well, let's carry on with the review. Now prices on Diesel watches range all the way from like $100 on resold sites such as Chrono24 and Amazon all the way up to $400 or $500 brand new. Now the watch I'm reviewing today from Diesel is my personal DZ1262. It's currently not available on the Diesel website. However, there are some of these available on Amazon and Chrono24 and eBay. So if you do like the particular watch that I'm reviewing today, then you can go ahead to one of those sites and type in Diesel DZ1262 and that should bring up the sellers of this watch. Anyway, all that being said, let's turn the camera around and do a closer review. It has a stainless steel black ion coated case. The case dimensions are 47 millimeters case diameter, about 12 millimeters thick. It's got a 26 millimeter lug width and a 56 millimeter lug to lug from top to bottom there. Now the face here is a multi-layered face. You can see it's got a carbon fiber effect in the center of the dial there, which is gray, and then the black is raised above that. It has an HMS dial, which means hour, minute and second hand. It's got a day date complication at the 3 o'clock position here. It has a push-pull crown. Now the crown is signed. It's a little difficult to see on camera, but it's got a D there for Diesel. The first pull out on the crown, if you turn it up, will change the day, as you can see, and it's written in both English and Spanish. And then if you turn it down, it will change the date. Pulling it out a second time allows us to change the time itself, and pushing in resets the crown. Now it's a push-pull crown, so this watch is not good for diving as water will get into the crown. However, it's got a water resistance on this of 5 bars, which is 50 meters. Basically good for washing your hands and stuff like that, but I wouldn't get it in the shower. It's a round case, but it's got these cool added feature lugs here, which kind of change the shape and look of the watch. The strap on this is a super soft and comfortable rubber polyurethane strap. It's 26 millimeters in width and the strap length with the watch case on there is 265 millimeters. It has a signed tang buckle with Diesel and it has only one keeper, but that works very well. The inside of the strap has got kind of a mottled finish, and it is also signed down here with Diesel stamped in the rubber on the strap as well. Lots of room there for any size wrist. Now turning the watch over, you can see it has a stainless steel screw down case back. It's got the punk mohawk emblem there with the words "Only the Brave" stamped underneath. You can see here that it's stamped stainless steel, water resistant to 5 bars, and the model number there, DZ1262. Again, these are coming in on resellers such as eBay for anywhere from $85 $85 to $110. You're not going to find this on the Diesel website right now. You are going to have to buy it used. That's the watch. Very, very cool offering from Diesel. I like it a lot. This was actually a gift from my wife, and this strap is super, super, super soft. It's really, really nice. Let's do a quick on the wrist shot. So there it is on wrist. Wears very nicely, very comfortable. The keeper and the strap are super easy to use. Not a lot of friction from the rubber when you're putting on the strap. Great looking watch. Wears quite big on there. Very, very cool. I like it a lot. So there you go, guys. A look at the Diesel DZ1262. I certainly hope you enjoyed this review. Now, if you can't find this particular watch, Diesel do offer some great watches at great prices. They look good on the wrist and they're kind of a cool fashion watch brand. Now, that's it for today on Beer and Watches. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you again on Friday for another beer and watch review. Now, before you go, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button over here to the right of the screen, the bell button up there to the right of the search bar so you don't miss a single video 3 times a week. Please do leave me a thumbs up. It means a lot, guys. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Do you in fact own a Diesel? I'd love to know if you do and what particular watch Diesel model you own. Now, before you go, please don't forget to click on this video right here if you haven't seen it, and the little icon down there to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye for now.